If my videos feel calm and consistent, it's not discipline, it's the system. And today I'll show you what's behind it. Most creators think the answer is more tools or more ideas, but what actually works is fewer decisions made earlier with clarity. This sheet holds the whole system. Every tab has a job. Let me show you how it flows from idea to reuse to clarity. And it all starts right here with planning. This is where I plan each post: the platform, the category, the hook, the script, or the status. The category column is where you can add different tags. If it's an educational video, if it's a personal video, if it's a promo video, you can add the category tag right here. And then the status, that's the stage of creation it's in. It could be in the idea, the filming, the posted, or the scripted stage. Once the content is posted, I never let it go to waste. The next tab, the calendar tab, tells me exactly when to repost it, 30, 60, or 90 days later, or really however many days you want between posting. Column J, you're going to go ahead and type in when you want to repost this particular video. And as you can see, the color coding, if it's in yellow, you still it's not quite to that date you want to repost. And if it's red, it means it's past the date you wanted to repost. Every finished post gets archived here in the library tab. I can sort by platform, the category, the hook, the script, or the status. And here is where I also track the performance of the video. So I have the saves, the comments, and if it's been reposted, yes or no. And if it has, you can then track the repost performance here. And this last tab tells me when to stop posting or when to start posting. I mark content as keep, cut, or test based on the results, the energy, and the reuse. Again, you have the same categories: the platform, the category, the hook, the script, the status, the manual entry of the performances, but then the big columns are P and Q here at the end, where you have the filters in that tell you if it's a winner or if it's not. And that's what decides for me. It's made for me, it's easy, it's clear. So this system isn't about doing more, it's about doing less with clarity. And every video on this channel flows through this system. If you want the system, comment the word system and we'll send it over to you. Thanks for watching.